Cash App doesn't offer traditional overdraft protection. Its borrow feature acts as an instant loan.
Steps to unlock and borrow: verify account, open Cash App, profile, add SSN, last four, DOB, address for full access. Build activity, order or use cash card, free Visa debit for daily spends. Manually add $200 to $1,000 per month via linked bank or debit. Money tab, add cash.
Keep a $100+ balance. Make P2P payments or invest in stocks or Bitcoin. Check eligibility, home screen. Look for borrow under balance. If absent, wait. AI reviews periodically, days and weeks. Apply, tap borrow, select amount, review terms, agree. Funds hit instantly if approved. Repay, auto deducts 10% per deposit or manual weekly and full payoff. Tips: no credit score hit, soft check only. Poor history may limit or deny. Maximize by spending via cash card. Boosts chances over time. Alternatives: apps like Dave or Clio, no DD needed for similar advances.